In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm that your email was sent successfully using Mailchimp reports. We'll walk through the steps you need to take if you're worried that your emails aren't reaching their intended recipients. First, let's start by checking Mailchimp reports. Log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the reports section. Here, you can see all the campaigns you've sent, along with detailed delivery statistics. Look for any patterns or potential issues, such as undelivered messages or low open rates, to understand how effectively your emails are making it to inboxes. Sometimes emails don't end up in the main inbox, but instead in the spam or junk folder. Encourage your recipients to check these folders, especially if they are expecting an email from you. Often, emails can accidentally be marked as spam, so instructing your audience on how to mark your messages as not spam can improve deliverability in the future. Next, you want to verify that the email addresses you're sending to are both correct and active. A simple typo or an outdated email can mean your message isn't received. Make sure your mailing list is regularly updated and that you collect emails with definitely correct information to minimize errors. This step helps in reducing bounce rates, which can affect your sender reputation over time. Additionally, verifying your sending domain is crucial in improving your email deliverability. Ensure that your domain is authenticated by setting up proper SPF and DKIM records. These are essential for your emails to bypass the stringent spam filters, as they verify that you're indeed a trustworthy sender and that your emails have not been tampered with during transit. If you're unsure about setting these up, most domain providers and Mailchimp support documentation offers step-by-step guides. While you're at it, take some time to review the content of your email for any possible spam trigger words or formatting issues. Words that are too promotional or formatted in a way that looks suspicious can land you in the junk folder, even if everything else is set up properly. Avoid all caps, excessive punctuation, and terms that are typically associated with spammy emails. If you've run through all these steps and your emails are still not being delivered successfully, it might be time to reach out to Mailchimp support. Their team can provide specific insights into your sending issues